Have you ever looked at your life and thought, maybe it's too late, maybe I've gone too far, maybe what I lost can never come back? If you've ever felt broken, ashamed, exhausted, delayed, or disappointed, this message is for you, because I came to tell you something today. God is not only able to forgive, He is able to restore. Some people think God's power ends at forgiveness, but the truth is, God does more than erase sin. He rebuilds the soul, He renews the mind, He revives the heart, He restores the future. God is not intimidated by your ruins, He specializes in them. Life can fracture you, people can betray you, mistakes can haunt you, and time can make you feel like nothing will ever change. But listen carefully. God doesn't just patch broken places, He makes you whole again. Where sin left stains, God brings cleansing. Where grief left weakness, God brings strength. Where disappointment left numbness, God brings feeling back. Where fear made you hide, God calls you out into the light. And what I love about God is this: He meets you as you are, but He refuses to leave you as you were. Now here's the part many people don't understand. Sometimes restoration is loud, a breakthrough, a miracle, a door opening overnight. But often restoration is quiet. It's one step at a time, one healed thought, one changed desire, one new habit, one sunrise after a long night. So if you're in a season where you can't see the full picture, don't panic. God is still working. If you feel delayed, hear me, you're not denied. If you feel forgotten, hear me, you are still held. And here's something even deeper. God doesn't just restore what you lost. He restores what you didn't know you needed. He restores wisdom, discernment, patience, courage, a stronger prayer life, a deeper love, a clearer purpose. That's why some of the greatest people in the Bible didn't just get a second chance. They got a new beginning. God restored Peter after failure. He strengthened David after tears. He renewed Elijah when he was exhausted and ready to quit. And the same God who did it then is the same God who can do it for you now. So, let me declare this over your life. God can restore your joy, restore your peace, restore your marriage, restore your family, restore your health, restore your calling, restore your future. He can restore your song, and even if the scars remain, they will no longer be signs of defeat. They will become testimonies of grace. Let this settle deep in your spirit. Your story is not over. God is not finished. He is the restorer of wasted years, the healer of hidden wounds, and the redeemer of shattered dreams. So trust Him with the pieces, because He is the God who makes all things new. If this message encouraged you like this video, subscribe and share it with someone who needs restoration today. And comment below, God is restoring me, because your words are seeds and faith begins when you speak. God bless you.